The Wasserturm Mannheim Water Tower, is one of the city's most iconic landmarks and a symbol of Mannheim's Baroque grid layout. Completed in 1889, the 60-meter sandstone tower once served as part of the city's water supply and stands at the eastern end of the Friedrichsplatz, surrounded by fountains in a geometric park. Its neo-Baroque dome and striking presence make it a central point in Mannheim. Inspired by this landmark, I created a 3D model of the Wasserturm in Tinkercad. I used very simple building blocks to construct the tower, focusing on capturing its overall shape and key features rather than making an exact replica. No pictures were used in the process. The model is a personal interpretation built entirely from my own design choices. After completing the Tinkercad model, I uploaded the tower model into Bambu Lab Slicer. Surprisingly, the software indicated that no supports were needed for printing, which made the slicing process quick and straightforward. However, when printing a single tower model on the X1C, the tip of the tower did not print as well as I wanted. To solve this, I used 3 models arranged together for the print, which improved the stability and resulted in a much cleaner, more precise tip. Here are the 3 printed models, showing the final result of the design and printing process.